Good morning, student. Welcome back. Since in previous lecture we had started the treatment of reserve and accumulated profit and loss. So today we will doing the treatment of workman compensation reserve and investment fluctuation reserve. So before starting the topic, let me remind you the treatment of reserve and accumulated profit and loss. The reserve and accumulated profit and loss are to be taken care of whenever there occurs a reconstitution of firm. Means when change in profit sharing ratio at the time of admission of new partner, at the time of retirement of a partner or death of a partner. In these conditions, we have to do the treatment of reserve and accumulated profit and loss. They are transferred to partners' capital or current account in their old profit sharing ratio because it is undistributed profit and loss as on the date of change in profit sharing ratio. So, firstly, revise the treatment of accumulated profits, that is the treatment of transfer to reserve and accumulated profit. Reserve account debit, profit and loss credit balance account debit, workman compensation reserve account debit, investment fluctuation reserve account debit to old partners capital or current account. If capital is fluctuating, then capital account, and if capital is fixed, then we will written here current account. Transfer to accumulated losses, old partners capital account debit to profit and loss debit balance to deferred revenue expenditure account. If partners want to do a single adjustment entry for accumulated profit, loss and reserves, so before treatment of adjustment entry, partner will be calculate net effect of the profit or loss. It may be positive or negative. If profit is more than the loss, then effect will be positive, and if loss is more than the profit, then effect will be negative. For positive effect, one single adjustment entry will be gaining partners capital account debit to sacrificing partners capital account. It means firstly we have to calculate gaining or sacrificing ratio. Then after calculating the profit minus losses, if profit is more than the loss, then entry will be gaining to sacrifice, and same as when negative effect is there, then sacrificing partners capital account debit to gaining partners capital account. So let's start with our today's topic, that is workman compensation reserve. It is an accumulated of profit. It's created out of firm's profit to meet liability for payment of compensation to employee in case of an accident. If any partner have or any employee have got an accident, and then partnership firm give the claim for that accident for their compensation. So WCR is a reserve set aside appropriated out of profit, firm's profit, to meet possible liabilities or to meet a claim on account of compensation to employee. If it is arises, it means when accident will occur, then claim may be equal to our WCR, may be less than to WCR, or may be more than WCR. At the time of change in profit sharing ratio, it is treated as follows. Accounting treatment under different situations. First one, when claim against WCR does not exist, means when there is no accident was being with any workman, any employee, then treatment will be WCR account debit to partners capital account in old profit sharing ratio. So it will be distributed in old partners in old profit sharing ratio. In this situation, account of WCR is transferred to partners capital account in their old profit sharing ratio. Case 2, when claim of WCR exists. When claim or exists, it may be equal, it may be more than, it may be less than the amount of WCR. WCR is a reserve which are kept aside out of profit by the firm for any accident of employee or workman. So if claim is equal to the amount of WCR, so treatment will be WCR account debit to claim on WCR account. It means total amount of WCR is transferred to claim account. Since the amount of workman compensation reserve and workman compensation claim are same, no amount is transferred to partner's capital or current account. Now, when claim of WCR is exist and claim is less than the amount of WCR, so treatment will be WCR account debit to claim on WCR account to partners capital account. Accident work take place, but the amount of compensation is less than the WCR. If there is WCR is 10,000 and claim for accident is only rupees 8,000, then remaining 2,000 will distributed in old partners ratio. Next one, if claim is exist means if situation are there that the workman compensation claim will depend on the amount for claim. Claim is more than the amount of WCR. Treatment will be WCR account debit, revaluation account debit to claim on WCR. Here liability is increases, so that one liability transferred to revaluation account. Revaluation means reassessment of liabilities, and these are the losses. These losses will recover by old partners in old ratio. So entry will be, that is transfer entry, partners capital account debit to revaluation account being loss of revaluation transfer to partners in old ratio. For example, A, B, C are partner in a firm. Their profit sharing ratio is 5:3:2. They decided to share their future profit in the ratio of 2:3:5 with effect from 1st April 2020 and extract to their balance sheet as on 31st March 2020 is liability amount, assets amount. WCR, it is a reserve, so it will be shown in liability side, rupees 90,000. Case 1, if there is no claim. Firstly, there is no claim. This reserve, that is 90,000, is created to pay the compensation to employee by accident, but there is no claim. That's why it will be distributed in old partners old ratio, that is 5:3:2. So 90,000 will be distributed in profit sharing ratio, that is 5:3:2. So journal entry on 1st April 2020 will be WCR account debit, workmen compensation reserve account debit to old partners. It means to A, to B and to C's capital. So amount of WCR is rupees 90,000. It will be distributed in 5, 3, 2, that is 5 plus 3 plus 2 is equal to 10. 5 upon 10, 3 upon 10 and 2 upon 10. That A will get rupees 45,000. B will get rupees 27,000 and C will get rupees 18,000. So WCR account debit to A's, to B's, to C's capital account. Case 2. If claim is rupees 50,000. Here reserve is created out of profit rupees 90,000, but claim is for WCR is only rupees 50,000. Now 90,000 minus 50,000 is equal to 40,000. So 40,000 will distributed in old partners old ratio and 50,000 is for recovery of claim. So journal entry will be WCR account debit to claim to old partners capital account. So WCR account debit, WCR is rupees 90,000. Claim for WCR is given in question, that is 50,000 rupees, and remaining 40,000 will distributed in old profit sharing ratio, that is 5:3:2. So 40,000 divided in 5:3:2, then 20,000, 12,000 and 8,000. So amount will be WCR account debit 90,000, claim on WCR 50,000, A's capital 20,000, B's capital 12,000 and C's capital is 8,000. That is for when claim is less than WCR. Case 3. If claim on WCR is rupees 99,000. Here WCR is given rupees 90,000 but claim is more than WCR, then it will be recovered by the revaluation of liability. So entry will be WCR account debit, revaluation account debit to claim on WCR. Here revaluation of liability, it means increase in liability. That is WCR is rupees 90,000. Claim on WCR is rupees 99,000. So 9,000 will recover by the revaluation. So now it will be loss of the firm. So it will be loss incurred by the old partner in old ratio. So old partners is A's capital account debit, B's capital account debit, C's capital account debit to revaluation account, that is 9,000. It will be distributed in old profit sharing ratio, that is 5:3:2. So here 4,500, 2,700 and 1,800. That is the loss recovered by A's, B and C's capital account. A's capital account, B's capital account, C's capital account to revaluation account, that is 4,500, 2,700, 1,800, that is 9,000. Loss recovered by partners capital account. So next topic is treatment of IFR. It is also a reserve set aside out of profit to meet fall in the market value of investment. Investment is an assets and these are recorded in the book of the firm at cost price. However, its market value may be equal to or lower or higher than its book value. Investment fluctuation reserve is meet for all fall in the market value of investment at the time of change in profit sharing ratio. Fluctuation means change in the price of investment. So investment fluctuation reserve, it is a profit and it's set aside to meet the falling value or meet the value of market value or difference between market value and book value of a investment. The accounting treatment of investment fluctuation reserve at the time of change in profit sharing ratio is done in the following manner. First one, when market value of investment is equal to the book value, then treatment will be IFR will be distributed in old partners old ratio. Why? Because it is a part of a profit which one calculated in old partners. When market value of investment is more than the book value, then treatment will be IFR account debit to partners capital account. If value of assets increases, then IFR will distributed in old partners old ratio, and investment increase and their value of investment is transferred to partners capital account. So partners will get the more price of investment and IFR, both things they will get. So second entry will be investment account debit to revaluation account being increase in the value of investment transferred, and revaluation account debit to partners capital account, that is the law profit. So profit will distributed in old partners old ratio. Next one thing is when market value of investment is lower than the book value, that is case 3. It means market value, maybe market value fall investment less than the IFR, maybe market value is fall is equal to IFR, or maybe market value is fall more than the IFR. A. So first case is fall in the value of investment is less than IFR. So treatment of IFR is equal to IFR account debit to investment. Here we return book value minus market value. That one the fluctuation value of assets to partners capital account, being market value adjusted against IFR and old partners ratio. Fall in the market value is equal to the IFR. If market value is equal to the IFR, then treatment will be investment account debit, IFR account debit to investment account, investment fluctuation reserve. Now, when fall in the market value is more than the IFR, if it is more than the IFR, then it will be loss. So it will be recovered by the revaluation account and recovered by the partner's capital account. So firstly, we have to treat as IFR account debit, revaluation account debit to investment account. Next treatment, second treatment is transfer to revaluation account, that is partner's capital or current account debit to revaluation account. It will be loss, and that will be gain, that will be get by the old partners in old ratio. For example, A, B, C were partner, profit sharing ratio 4 ratio 3 ratio 2. They decided to their share future profit or loss in ratio 2 ratio 3 ratio 4 with effect from 1st April 2020. An extract of the balance sheet, that is as on 31st March 2020, liabilities amount, assets amount, IFR is rupees 18,000 and investment at cost, that is rupees 2 lakh. Case 1, if market value is rupees 2 lakh, it means the market value is equal to the book value. So treatment will be IFR account debit to old partners capital account because there is no changes. That amount will be safe for any fluctuation. If investment value will decreases, then that IFR utilize, then that decreases amount will recover by the IFR. But if amount will investment value is same, then IFR, it is the profit of old partners, so it will be distributed in old partners old ratio. So entry will be IFR account debit to A's capital to B's capital to C's capital account. IFR is rupees 2 lakh. A's capital account will be IFR is rupees 18,000 and it will be distributed in old partners old ratio, that is 4:3:2. So the amount will be 8,000, 6,000 and 4,000 respectively. 18,000 into 4 upon 9, that is 8,000, 6,000 and that is 8,000. For B it is 3 upon 9 and for C it will be 2 upon 9. Amount will distributed in 8,000, 6,000 and 4,000. Case 2, if market value is rupees 1,91,000. Here investment cost price is 2 lakh and market value is 1,91,000. In this case, the amount of investment fluctuation reserve to the extent of fall in the value. So it is transferred to the investment account, difference of market value and difference of cost price. The differences will be transferred to investment account and remaining balance transferred to old partners in old ratio. It will be distributed to old partners capital account. So journal entry will be, so amount of IFR is rupees 18,000. Difference of market value of investment and cost price is rupees 9,000. 91 plus 9,000. That is rupees 9,000 and the balance amount will distributed in A, B and C in old ratio. So amount of A is rupees 4,000. So 18 minus 9 is equal to 9,000. It will be distributed in 4:3:2. That is the old ratio. So amount of A will be 4,000 and B will be rupees 3,000 and C will be rupees 2,000. Next one case is if market value is rupees 1,73,000. Here investment is given 2 lakh. 2 lakh minus 1,73,000 is equal to, that is 27,000. But here IFR is given only 18,000. So out of 27,000 we have recovered 18,000, but remaining amount is a loss for a firm, that is recovered by the old partners in old ratio. So entry will be IFR account debit, that is 18,000. Investment account, that is the difference between 2 lakh minus 1,73,000, that is 27,000. So revaluation, yeah, so loss will be 9,000. It will be recovered by old partners. Then entry will be A's capital account debit, B's capital account debit, C's capital account debit to revaluation account. Amount of revaluation is rupees 9,000. It will be distributed in old profit ratio, that is 4:3:2. So amount recovered by A is rupees 4,000, recovered by B rupees 3,000 and recovered by C is rupees 2,000. That is 9,000 will distributed in ratio 4:3:2. That one is old ratio. So next case, if market value of investment is rupees 2,18,000, cost price of investment is rupees 2 lakh, but now market value is rupees 2,18,000. It is 18,000 more than the cost price. Here the amount of investment is more than or higher than the book value. The amount of investment fluctuation reserve is distributed among partners in increase in the value of investment is credited to revaluation account. Now that will become a profit of a firm. So entry will be in journal entry. Firstly, IFR divided in all partners ratio, because now it will be profit. It is the amount which is used to recover the fluctuation price. But here is fluctuation is higher. So IFR is profit that will be distributed in old partners. So amount will be 8,000, 6,000 and 4,000. Now, the cost price of investment is more than the market price. That is, it means increase in assets. So increase in assets is always being debit. So investment account debit. Here we have to written here the difference between 2 lakh and 2,18,000, that is 18,000, to revaluation account. It will be transferred to revaluation account.